Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with us a big secret, a secret which many designers out there do not know about, and you are privileged to know it today because many of you will be designing at another level now without any stress. Now many of us have been trying to take up background for a while now, and we've been using other means or other software, but I'm here to show you a very easy and accessible way of you taking up background. In case you are new to this channel, I would like you to like this video, to subscribe to this channel, and as well turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I drop the new video. Alright, now the application we'll be using for this tutorial is Lightroom. You can get the link to this application, so you can download it from Google Play, in the description below. Alright, so now let's click on the application so we begin. Alright, so this is the interface you will get as soon as you launch it. Now you click on start from photo. It takes you to your gallery where you've saved image, and we are going to be taking off this background, the background from this image. I want to show you how simple it is. Just watch. You can see that the background has been taken off with ease. I didn't need to stress myself, I didn't need to go through any process. And after this, the next thing you have to do, which many designers make mistake at this particular point, I'm going to show you the mistakes they make, and I'd like to show you how you can overcome them. Now you see this button, each time it appears you see white, black, transparent or original. Now they are giving you options on which way you want it to appear. Since we need just the image without the background, we are going to click on transparent, not on black or white or even on original. We are clicking transparent. Okay, and this is it. After it has loaded, you can see that there's a watermark beside it. There's a watermark here. Okay, so this is what you need to do for you to have your image clear without any barrier. When you are designing, I would like you to make sure that the watermark is not on top of the image. If it is, I would like you to as well adjust the image away from the watermark so it doesn't appear when you are making use of the image. And the next thing you do is you click on the export button, and they ask me to create an account. That will be done later. Afterwards, we have options here to either share, to save to gallery, or to share link. We are going to save it to gallery, and we are done. We now have the PNG of this image. Now let's go back to the image. You can see that we are done, and if you check your gallery right now, you will find this PNG saved in Lightroom folder. Lightroom folder will automatically be created as soon as you do this. Thank you for watching this video. I do hope you had an interesting time. I would like you to share this video and drop your comments in the comment section so you know your thoughts towards this video. Thank you so much.